Hello everyone, welcome to the Master UI Development courses in React Native. These low-cost practical courses help you through your React Native learning journey and makes you professional in UI development. In each course, we have an amazing UI design from professional UI UX designers worldwide, and I will teach you how to simply build these fascinating UIs from scratch. Each course is comprised of multiple sections based on the complexity of the design. These sections are in order and are our steps to produce a fascinating UI. The sections are produced in a way that you can produce any other UIs by following them, so just keep following these instructions. In this course, we have an application UI related to traveling. I call it Plan a Trip application. We have 3 pages as you see here. We go through implementing the whole first screen in the left, this screen. In this section, we create the latest version of React Native application. Just to remind, you have to install Node.js from its website, then you must install the React Native CLI and React Native globally on your system if you haven't already. So, if you need to install React Native CLI and React Native on your system, so follow these steps. Hit Windows and R button together. Write in CMD and hold Ctrl and Shift simultaneously and then hit Enter to open the CMD in administrative mode. Then run these commands to install the React Native CLI and React Native globally. npm install-g React Native CLI and then hit Enter and it installs the latest React Native CLI on your system globally. Then, if you need to install React Native, then run this command npm install-g React Native. It installs the latest version of the React Native on your system globally. So, now we are ready to create our application. So, in application folder, we type in CMD, then hit Enter. Then we run React Native init. I call my application Plan a Trip. Then hit Enter to install the dependencies and your app will be created. cd Plan a Trip, then React Native run Android. In the latest version of React Native, it opens the emulator itself. But we do not need to do that because I have opened the emulator already. So if the window opens for initializing the emulator, a new emulator, I will close this. And I will wait till the app is installing on the emulator and initializing. Now our application is ready. We open our application with VS Code editor. Just go to Plan a Trip folder, right click and open with code. Go to app.js and here you see the contents of app.js that is shown here in the welcome page of React Native application. We remove all these. If you'd like to know that how I did this and selected the section I needed and then removed it, I can tell you. Just click in the beginning of the line that you'd like to start selecting from that line. Then hold Shift and select the end of the line that you'd like to select. So all these lines will be selected and you can hit delete or backspace to remove. Then we create our application. Const app, then return, then remove these styles. We do not need it anymore. Remove these lines and all the components that are imported, and we do not want to use it. We just want a view component. Now create a view tag and our application is ready. Just save it and you see that here changes. That's it. We have our app and we are ready for the next section.